Ang taman. Wala lagi. Wala lang. Wala na ako something. Nauna.
Oh.
Ang taman.
Sige, huna.
Lang nga naman. Nga naman.
Why?
Lang, didepende.
I don't know if it's...
Wait. Oh.
I think I know.
Ang taman.
Ouch, big ouchie.
Bakit? Ang taman.
I'm not sure
Yeah.
if it's correct.
Ang taman ba?
Oh no.
Ang taman.
Understand lang.
Ang sa lagi. Like?
Like something.
Di man na. Bangunan na.
Ay.
Ang taman ba?
Sure?
Tingnan ko.
Ito ang ngayon mo sa una.
Ang taman.
Talking about remember I was going like that and I was asking you
No.
where I was like why don't you
No, it doesn't really need too much. It's like
What?
what are you doing? Close your ears. What though?
Hindi ako nakikinig. Wala akong nakikinig. Gumaganon ako.
Yan ang nakaingon man sa si James. Si ano.
No, because I was out there and then you walked away and I went no, why she look sad and I went in here.
Absolutely.
Dayon.
absolutely.
And I was wondering why you look sad.
Nagyan sa lagi about sa minatong anana.
Remember I was going like this to your head and I was asking you. I was like
Absolutely nothing.
Hindi talaga. Wadyo ko kadungog ni tanaw. Murag naginuktok na kabaya balance.
Go.
ano dili ka mo gusto mo kon?
Ni?
Me.
Ni?
Me.
Insa? Insa?
Me. Outside.
Housemates, magtipon-tipon na kayo ngayon sa living room.
Absolutely.
As you want to like ayun ba?
Kuya, kiss
Meron lamang kayong 1 minute para
You like me?
magtipon-tipon.
1 minute. 1 minute.
What?
Helping.
No, because like unless I break up. 1 minute.
No,
Ito
hindi
yung
yan.
magiging sitting arrangement. Isang beses ko lang sasabihin to.
Bakit? Ay, bali. Hindi.
Wala lang kay when I was watching earlier.